Okay, so my son and I came across a car meet tonight. Apparently it's Extreme, BHP and Preston Car Scene, and they've done or doing a drive through the illuminations, and they're making a lot of noise down here on Eden Car Park. It's absolutely brilliant. Whoa! So yeah, had to run down here and get a little bit of footage of them doing at least something, because I didn't actually know this was on. So me and my son look at that! Wow!
You should have got your Fiat.
So me and my son came across this, and yeah. I don't know if they've already done the illumination run through or what, but apparently they've been here since about 7 o'clock. It's now just after 9. So I just thought we'd try and bring you at least a few shots of a bit of action, if that's all we can get. This is one big meet. The car community really is an absolutely fantastic community. So there is a lot of really cool cars down here. Looks like this has been an absolutely brilliant event, but now I know where to find them on Facebook. We will watch out for future events. So, there's Blackpool Tower all the way down there. So we are on the Eden Way. We have an Esso petrol station just over there. Yeah, we are going to have to keep our eyes open on these Facebook pages for future events, actually. There are still some cars obviously coming out, leaving this car park. So yeah, it looks like it has been a really, really good event, which apparently I've missed most of because I didn't know it was on. Hee. Hang on, Stefan spotted something, so let's follow my son in the dark. Oh my goodness. This is one of those adventures where you haven't got a bloody clue what the hell you're doing. But it's still fun anyway. Uh-oh. Oh goodness. Woo! Right, I nearly got legged up then. What you doing? I'm following him here. I don't know what we're doing, but I'm following him. And I'm sorry it's a bit dark, right? But that's life, isn't it?
At least I'm staying on brand. All those car shows we went to when I was a kid on the seafront, mate.
Yeah.
At least my passion stayed on brand, didn't it?
Yeah, used to take you to all car shows as a kid and tell you about them as you got more independent.
I remember Woodhead, Barty let me come in an hour late because I complained that I was working when there was a car show.
Yeah.
He let me come in an hour late so I could go up to the seafront to see.
Yeah.
So much forced induction, it's beautiful to my eyes.
Yeah, we've got police car parked in the car park now, so all the speeding out of the car park and wheel spinning is going to have come to an end, sadly.
Yeah.
Because everyone's got to behave. So everyone's now driving out really slowly. Oh, hang on, he's moving. Is he going?
I think.
Yay, back to normal, folks. Come on. Everyone's been good. Everyone's been good, honestly.
As always. Literally, as I walked in, there was a Fiesta ST.
There we go, yes!
That's the one that I saw drag racing in the traffic lights on the way home. Like,
That's what we want.
yeah, that was the one drag racing in the traffic light. That was Now, when I first walked in down that, and there was that red Fiesta just doing donuts at the start.
Well, we know for next year, we're on the
the
Facebook page now, so we know to watch out for them doing something down here. Then we can get down here, can't we? It's thinning out a lot now, it's thinning out.
Well, hopefully by the next event I'll be in a car and it doesn't matter where the fuck they're doing it, I can go to it.
Yeah.